I ask God every day, if not 7 times a day, to please give me back my legs, and I would pay it forward. I was dragging my leg. I couldn't even get out of my chair without help. My name is Pamela Fawcett, and I've spent the latter part of my years here in Bloomington, Indiana. I was referred to Dr. Lucini because I had so much pain.
My name's Dave Lucini, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and I specialize in hip and knee replacement. Pamela has a lot of energy. She's a go-getter. When I met her, I felt like her pain was kind of holding her back. You know, she had been dealing with this for quite some time, and it was holding her back physically, it was holding her back emotionally.
He said, "Why don't you take a couple steps for me?" And he said, "Young lady, I think you have a broken hip. Let's do some x-rays." And he came back in and he showed me this wonderful picture of both my hips and said, "Your hip is broken and it's hanging by a piece of cartilage, and I do not even understand how you're walking."
Both hips were arthritic. At the time that I met her, her left hip was more painful than her right, and so we had talked about treatment options and decided to proceed with hip replacement, and started with the left hip.
Right after my surgery, as soon as I woke up, it wasn't very long, I wanted to go to the bathroom, and believe it or not, I had a walker, and away I went. And it was the best feeling in the world that I could actually use that leg again. I had the second surgery, did everything to a T, and I was even out of the hospital quicker the second time than I was the first time. When I found out, not only was the doctor right here in my backyard, so was therapy as well if I wanted it in this building. And I was thrilled. And it was like I was in the perfect spot. Everything happened for me here.
While patients are going through this recovery, it's nice to be at home. You know, it's nice that you don't have to travel very far. We've got a great program here in Bloomington where, you know, not only is it therapy, but it's our nurses, it's our educators, it's our PAs. I mean, it's a big, you know, kind of team thing that gets these patients going in the right direction.
It was 100% care, above. If I could say 150%, I would. From pain to no pain. I am able to walk, and I'm a testimony to what he can do for others with those wonderful hands that he has. And he enjoys so much putting people's lives back together and helping them be where they want to be. And that's what he told me he could do and he would do for me. He would give it his very best. And he did.
IU Health Orthopedics and Sports Medicine team provides quality care for patients here locally, and I'm proud to be part of it.